Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am here not to share any food recipe with you all but to share a very interesting kitchen trick which you can use at your home and make your kitchen look very beautiful and organized. Here generally we get every food product in this type of glass bottles, but what do we do with this type of glass bottles after it is empty? Do we throw it in the dustbin or you use it for storing any other food items in your kitchen? Well, if you use it as it is, then it will really look very unorganized. So today I will be sharing you a very good trick by which you can remove this sticker very easily and then you can use it for other purposes. I will show you how I use this. I removed the sticker from this bottle and then I made my sticker for this type of masala. I also colored my bottle. Now I am using it to store dry fruits. I'll show you one more interesting thing. From one of the bottle I removed the sticker, then I put glitters on it and now I am using it as flower vase. I also had one plastic box. I removed sticker out of it and now I am using it for my window garden. So you all can take this interesting tip and please write me in the comment box how was your after look of the kitchen by using this trick. Also, to remove these stickers we don't require any costly solutions from the market. But here I will be using just a simple 2 to 3 ingredients by which in 10 to 15 minutes you can remove this bottle sticker. These are the glass bottles and plastic box. If used for storing things, it will not look good in kitchen. So let's remove the stickers. So first let's have a look at the ingredients. Obviously the bottles with stickers, hot water, and dishwasher liquid of any company you like. Now add 1 to 2 drops of dishwasher liquid in the hot water. Mix it properly with spatula. See, if we try to remove the stickers, it will hardly come out. Now put your glass bottles in the hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. For bottles to remain stable, add little water in the bottle. Sometimes there is sticker on bottle cap also. Put this also with the bottle together in hot water. Leave the bottle in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, take the bottle out from water. Try removing the sticker. See, it gets removed so easily. The sticker remains you can easily remove from the scrubber with light hands and clean the bottle with the scrubber properly. See, the bottles look like the one we purchased from the market in 1 to 2 euro per bottle. So when we can make the bottles for storage purpose at home, then why to waste money and increase the pollution by purchasing new bottles and throwing the good bottles we already have at home. Dry these bottles and store the things of your choice. I had many glass bottles and plastic boxes from whom I wanted to remove the stickers. What I did is I filled water in the bathtub and added some dishwasher liquid and mixed it properly. Now I have kept all the boxes and glass bottles in the tub. After 15 to 20 minutes, I removed the stickers and my much time was saved instead of removing stickers from the single bottle. Then I cleaned all the bottles with the scrubber and kept in the sun to dry properly. Use these bottles for storing masalas, for plantation, or for decoration by coloring it or for storing tea and sugar. I hope you like my trick. If you like my video, then please press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. We will meet next time with another interesting video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.